Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between the brand new DJI ROMO P and the Dreame L50 Ultra. These are two premium robot vacuums packed with cutting-edge features, intelligent mapping, and next-level automation. The DJI ROMO P makes a bold statement with its fully transparent housing, massive 25,000 Pascal suction power, and a high-tech docking station equipped with UV disinfection and odor control. On the other hand, the Dreame L50 Ultra takes a more understated approach but comes packed with practical performance upgrades, including dual brush rolls, advanced obstacle avoidance, and a mop system that intelligently analyzes floor dirtiness. Which one is the smarter, more reliable choice, and which one just looks cool doing it? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two robot vacuums and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's kick things off with design and build quality, because this is where the DJI ROMO P makes its biggest first impression. With a bold, transparent housing, every internal component, wire and sensor is visible, giving it a striking sci-fi aesthetic that's unlike anything else on the market. It's futuristic, daring, and a guaranteed conversation starter, but it might clash with traditional or minimalist interiors. Its flat-top design also makes it taller than average, which could be a problem for sliding under low furniture. The docking station continues that high-tech look with curved edges and a glossy finish, although the exposed black power cable slightly breaks the premium feel. On the other hand, the Dreame L50 Ultra opts for elegance over flash, offering a compact form in either white or black that blends easily into modern home environments. Its top-mounted LiDAR keeps the profile low while still delivering strong navigation, and the dock is flatter and more discreet for better furniture integration. That means if you prioritize subtle design, home compatibility, and a smaller footprint, the Dreame L50 Ultra is the more practical and versatile option. Moving on to navigation and obstacle handling, both vacuums are highly intelligent, but they take very different approaches. The DJI ROMO P leverages DJI's drone technology, using dual fisheye cameras alongside a solid-state LiDAR to generate detailed three-dimensional maps of your home. It glides with precision, navigates tight spaces effortlessly, and can even operate in near-total darkness, thanks to its 0.1 lux sensors and front-mounted LED. It's incredibly efficient in layout planning and maintains high accuracy throughout the cleaning session. On the other hand, the Dreame L50 Ultra combines top-mounted LiDAR with front lasers, an RGB camera, and LED lighting to form a complete obstacle detection system. Its Pro Leap climbing feature allows it to clear thresholds up to 2.65 inches, more than double what the ROMO P handles, making it ideal for multi-room homes with transitions. In real-world use, the L50 Ultra consistently avoided tangled cords, pet bowls, and furniture legs with precision. So if you value adaptive navigation, better object detection, and the ability to handle tricky elevation changes, the Dreame L50 Ultra takes the clear lead. When it comes to vacuuming performance, both robots bring serious power, but in very different ways. The DJI ROMO P leads in raw suction with a staggering 25,000 pascals, one of the highest ratings available in any robot vacuum today. It comes with dual brush options, including a tangle-free rubber fin roller and smart particle detection that increases suction when dirt levels rise. Its performance on hard floors is outstanding, especially when dealing with pet hair and large debris. On the other hand, the Dreame L50 Ultra takes a more balanced and efficient approach, using a dual brush roll system that outperforms most competitors on carpets and rugs. It scored an impressive 90% in deep carpet cleaning tests and completely removed pet hair in lab trials. Even without focusing on raw suction numbers, its airflow and roller system work together to dig out embedded dirt while staying quieter than the ROMO P. That means if you prioritize all-around cleaning with a focus on carpets, pet messes, and real-world household dirt, the Dreame L50 Ultra offers stronger, more consistent performance across different surfaces. Now let's get into mopping and docking, two categories where both vacuums go far beyond the basics. The DJI ROMO P features active high-pressure mopping with fine water spray nozzles, carpet detection, and automatic mop lifting. Its dual rotating pads press down with 5 newtons of force for even coverage, and the dock handles post-cleaning with 70 to 75 degrees Celsius hot water and hot air drying. It also includes tanks for cleaning solution and floor deodorizer, delivering both hygiene and a pleasant scent throughout your home. On the other hand, the Dreame L50 Ultra answers with an equally advanced mopping system featuring 2 detachable pads that lift by 10.5 millimeters or eject entirely for carpet cleaning. It uses 20 water nozzles for washing and analyzes dirty water with a color sensor to decide whether another pass is needed. It even adapts mop edge extension for better wall coverage and adjusts movement to match wood grain. While both docks offer top-tier features, Dreame edges ahead with smarter water management, better carpet protection, and more adaptive mopping logic. So if you value automation that truly thinks ahead and handles mixed flooring effortlessly, the Dreame L50 Ultra is the smarter pick. As for my final verdict, both the DJI ROMO P and the Dreame L50 Ultra are exceptional flagship-level robot vacuums, but they cater to slightly different priorities. The ROMO P is a futuristic showpiece designed for tech lovers, with stunning visual appeal, powerful suction, and standout extras like surveillance camera streaming and UV disinfection. It's ideal for someone who wants their vacuum to be as eye-catching as it is capable, but the Dreame L50 Ultra delivers a more complete package when it comes to actual cleaning performance, carpet care, obstacle handling, mopping logic, and app experience. It's less flashy, but more refined and smarter in everyday use. So please don't forget, like to this video and subscribe to our channel if you want more tech comparison like these in the future.